Welcome back to today's video. Now it's only a short one, but hopefully it will be a very useful one for anyone that's like me and has got an extremely squeaky clutch pedal. Now it's so annoying, and like every good Defender, when you want it to do something, it's not doing it. If you have a listen now, not a sausage. But I can assure you, it is very squeaky most of the time. So I've tried spraying it with WD-40, put grease up inside there. Doesn't do anything, even if you spray it right up inside. And it turns out it's got nothing to do with the pedal or the spring. It's to do with the linkage box, which isn't even down there. It's in the engine bay. I'll show you. That there. So there's only 6 screws. What we're going to do is take them off. We're going to put some WD-40 inside it. That should fix it for a little while, but longer term, what you actually need to do is replace, there's a little screw on the side. You need to basically replace that with something called a 6mm grease nipple, and then just pump loads of grease inside it, because for some reason Land Rover provided those linkage boxes completely dry. So it's inevitable after a certain amount of time, like everything else on a Defender, it's going to start squeaking. So yeah, that's my solution to get that fixed, and let's see if it works. So you can see inside there, that is the linkage in there that's completely dry, and that needs to be greased. And you see there's a little thing on the side of the should be that you can change and put a grease nipple on there. You go again. Right, so I sprayed it really well, but it actually sounds more like it's coming down from around there, weirdly, but we'll see. Right, so it's all sprayed back together. I'm going to leave it overnight and see, because obviously it's WD-40. It will take a bit of time to kind of settle in. It has dripped through into the footwell as well, so again, with Defenders, they're full of holes, so it hasn't really surprised me that's happened. Anyway, I'll give an update maybe in a few days. We'll see if that's fixed it. Hopefully it has. If it's helped, great. Then please consider subscribing, drop some likes, and leave some comments, and I'll see you again soon.